Happy New Year everyone. Wishing 2021 will be different from 2020. We are hoping to meet our friends and families without the fear of COVID. Let's see how to draw 2021. So here I am drawing a line, leaving some couple of inches on top, and then from there taking 3 inches of width, I'm gonna draw another line. So here I'm putting it at 4, and then I'm putting a dot at 7 on the right side, and then to the left side I'm doing the same thing. So put a dot and then join these two lines. I'm doing this on demand of my daughter. She wanted me to do a video of 2021 drawing. So the next video is a dry tree which is coming up. So do watch it and leave your valuable comments, and do subscribe. So we are doing 4 numbers, so let's plan. As this is done instantly, I haven't planned with exact measurements and all. So I have divided that section into 4 parts. From there we will see how many inches we can see. So I'm putting a dot at 1 and the other one at 10. So it gives us like 9 inches. So more than 2 inches is we can create each number. So I'm leaving some gap to left and right. We're not really going into the corners. To write a 2, draw like a question mark, a big question mark, but while going at the bottom you have to do a curve. Don't do straight. So like this, a curve. Give some artist angle, and then I am planning the base of or thickness of the numbers this much. So it's about less than an inch obviously, but it's I think close to half, more than half inch. And I'm drawing the first number and then the last one. So in the middle, then accordingly we can plan the other ones. So this is just an eye view how much each number is. And then for the base, I'm going to use the ruler and draw line from the 2 to the end, the 1. So this is the base for all the numbers. So this much width we are going to keep for all the numbers. So you can see how I am planning. Sometimes it is gonna come thicker, so then you have to go back and make the changes. So that's why it's best to use a pencil, so you can make the changes and erase it, and draw very gentle lines so the pencil marks are not left when you erase some things. Yeah, so the thickness is there, so we are good with that. And then I didn't finish the entire 2, so I'm just marking where the numbers will come. I'm confident about the 1 and the 2 width, but the 0 and the 2 we have to plan. So let's see how much width space we can give for the other 2 of the 21. So you have to plan gently with your eye measurements, like when you're writing in a book, you see your name can be fit in that area or not, how much bigger size font you can use, all those. So just with eye measurement plan those. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like these and watercolors. And initially I had started with crafts, and then my interest came into watercolors. So I'm gonna continue watercolors, and then people were asking how to draw them. I've been just doing watercolors, not showing how to draw. So I made videos of how to draw things in simple way, so even kids can do it. Even the watercolors are very simple ones I am doing, so I'm explaining also what I'm doing, so that way it's easy for viewers to understand and do it. You don't need to have any experience for doing these simple watercolors or drawing. And here I am using the ruler for 2 again, so which height I am starting and where I am going. So you can see the first two came very round and nice. The second one looks thinner, so I'm gonna go and make the changes. You can see in the later, and you can observe there is lot of gap between the 2 and the 1. So when I make it broader, you can see that the width will be reduced. And after you're confident that where your thing should come, then you can go and make the changes. So here I'm seeing where the 0 will come, how much area it will take and all. So couple of don't press the pencil on the paper, then you won't be able to erase it, and even if you erase there will be a mark left. So don't stress on the paper, use as gently as you can. So now I am confident. That's the 0, that's the 2, and that's the 1. So we got all of them. Yeah, I'm just seeing that now I realize that the 2 came little thinner. So I'm going and making the changes. As I am not doing accurate measurement, here the bottom became little bit narrow. And then now I am drawing the hole in the 0. It's from the same width we did the base, so you leave that much space at the top and connect it mostly to the baseline at the bottom. So 0 is very easy, but we don't not drawing a O, so 0 is like straight lines and 2 curves at the top and bottom. So that's very easy to draw. I have erased the extra lines, and then now I am coming up with Sharpie fine point. The set I have, it's in my videos, you can check it out. I have put an unboxing video of Sharpies in my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. So gently, don't because I didn't plan this video, I was in a rush to finish it. After the thin lines, after I color it inside, I'm gonna come back with the Sharpie, little regular Sharpie, and then I'm gonna do little broad lines. For now I'm doing this thin lines to know where I can design, where I can draw the designs or not. If you want, you can do this and your kids can color in, and after this you can trace it onto your watercolor paper or any paper and then finish your artwork, do some backgrounds or something. Here I am putting 4 different colors and deciding which one to do where. So this way you can understand, oh okay, if I fill this with orange, then next one, and color combination, how it works out. That way you can decide what to do. So I finally decided what to do, what colors to do. Here I am doing some diagonal lines into, and then I did some swirlies, waves and some zigzags in all the different numbers. And then I came back with a thicker Sharpie, and then I did a border again. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Simple watercolors, simple beginner watercolors, drawings and many more are on the way. It's almost been a year I have started this channel. Looking forward to more subscribers and more viewers and more comments, especially on how to improve my channel. And I thank many people this last year for helping me start this channel and giving me some comments and views. So whoever has viewed my videos, a big thank you. And then whoever is going to view my videos, a big thank you to them too in advance. And hopefully this year will be pretty more colorful than the last year and safe. You can see how it turned out so colorful and nice. You can draw some fireworks in the background or in the front, and you can make it a nice poster for your calendar or anything which you're gonna start. Okay, I hope you like it. Thank you.